The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to calculate the mean using SPSS. In this particular problem, an instructor wants to know the average number of hours students sleep in two different classes, just to get a sense of which class is having better sleep, to do a follow-up study to determine if that has an impact on how well they do in the class. And so this instructor inputs the data. There's two ways we inputted the data here. First, we have class 1 hours of sleep with 23 individuals and their hours, their average hours each per week, let's say, and then class 2, their average hours of sleep per week. Another way to input the data is to actually code it with in one column. This variable is called class, and it's coded as a 1 and a 2, and then we just put the same data for 1 right here and the same data for 2 right here. Different analyses will require a different way to input the data. And so we'll demonstrate how to calculate the mean for both scenarios. So let's go to Analyze. You'll notice we'll go to Descriptive Statistics. There are two options to calculate the mean, either selecting frequency or descriptives. Let's select frequency, and we will go ahead and put class 1 here, and we can also put class 2. Type in select statistics. Mean is already selected. Click OK, and here we have right here we'll focus on this table for now. We have the first class, the average or mean hours of sleep that students get is 7.00, and the second class is 7.22. Now let's demonstrate how to do this using descriptive statistics, and you'll note that it is identical. Bring it over here, look at options, select mean, and then OK. And then we'll notice it is the same value, 7.00 average hours of sleep for class 1 and 7.22 average hours of sleep for class 2. Finally, let's go back to Analyze, and instead of using frequency or descriptives, we're going to go to Compare Means. In this way we can use the data that's coded, this data here. Let's go ahead and reset that. We have class, remember it was coded as class 1, ones for class 1 and 2s for class 2. We'll put class into the independent list. This variable is independent because it supposedly influences the dependent variable, which is hours of sleep. Go to options. We're just interested in the mean. Select continue and then OK. You'll notice that once again class 1 the average hours are 7.00, and for class 2 it's 7.22. These are three ways to determine or calculate the mean.